Hey man, are you looking for a top quality microphone that ain't gonna make you sell your home? Oh, I know. You want a vocal mic that ain't gonna have you hitting the stroll tonight. All right, I'm done. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wavy.wav, and that's right. Today we're gonna be talking about my top 5 vocal microphones for under $500, man. Having a quality vocal microphone is essential to pretty much every single recording studio. So some of these, man, are well beyond their worth in their price, man. Like, you're getting way more than what you pay for in some of these mics, but sometimes you do get what you pay for. But today, we aim to look at some microphones that give you more than what the price tag says, man. So we going beyond the value, but still spending less than $500. You know what I'm talking about? And you definitely want to make sure that you jump on these quick, because I know that there's a lot of Black Friday deals, and I got links to this, everything down in the description, because who knows, maybe these microphones prices may change in the future from what you're seeing right here. All right, so let's go ahead and check out my list of top 5 vocal microphones for under $500. All right, so first thing first, you already know your boy got this beautiful slide for you, because I'm just trying to enhance everything here all the time, man. So I'm gonna bring y'all my top 5 vocal microphones for under $500. Now, the first microphone is actually one that I have and I use all the time. I got it sitting right here next to me, actually. It's a beautiful microphone. This is the Avantone CV-12, all right? Go ahead, take a look at that mic. Man, just a beautiful microphone. Very heavy, sturdy, feels like some quality machinery that you're getting with this microphone. And the best thing is that I love the sound of this mic directly out of the box. There are a lot of mods that you can choose to get for this microphone as well. There's even a Black Lion mod that you can buy directly from sweetwater.com as well for a few extra $100 that will enhance the microphone. I've never heard that one, but I can only imagine how much better it is with that one, because this mic is extremely great directly out of the box. All right, now the Avantone CV-12 is $499. All right, so it's right at the cusp of that $500 price point. But again, this is one that I recommend no matter what. If you're a budget studio, whether you have $10,000 microphones in your collection, I think that you should have an Avantone CV-12 personally. Now, this is a large diaphragm tube condenser, and I do believe that tube condenser microphones are basically a perfect match for vocals, any type of vocals that you're going to be working with. Now, the flavor of the tube may vary, but using a large diaphragm tube condenser has always gotten me the best results when recording vocals, and the Avantone CV-12 is no different. Now, there is a selectable polar pattern on this microphone, which makes it extremely versatile in the studio. So you can go from a cardioid pattern to figure 8 and everything in between, omni, all of that. You change it right on the actual power supply that is included with this microphone. And another great thing about this microphone is that you get that vintage tube sound right out the box, man. And it's nothing like a tube in a vocal, I'm telling you now. Now, one other feature of this Avantone CV-12 is obviously that it is Taylor Swift approved. Now, I know all of y'all look up to Taylor Swift for your microphone choices, and yes, Taylor Swift has approved this joint. She's swore by it, has done a lot of her recordings with it, and if you know anything about her music and the way that it sounds and all the awards and accolades that she's achieved herself, then you can definitely trust that this microphone will do great things for you. I especially love it on silky female vocals, especially those pop style vocals. This is not my favorite choice on like a hip hop aggressive rapper, but for any kind of pop music, singing music, R&B style vocals, man, this Avantone CV-12 is a great one, and you should definitely have that in your collection. So let's move on to the next mic. The next mic is a Lauten Audio LA320, man. This is one that I absolutely love the design. I can't wait to get my hands on this and actually have one of my own. I'll probably go ahead and order it soon because it's only $479 right now. So for less than 500 bucks, we are getting that trusted Lauten Audio brand, man, and their quality of the builds. And not only that, just look at that microphone. I got a thing for black microphones with the chrome grill. This is also a large diaphragm tube condenser as well. This mic has a cardioid pickup pattern, and like I was saying before, the Lauten audio quality is pretty much unbeat. And if you don't believe me, you can go to sweetwater.com and check out the reviews for yourself, man. It completely has 5 stars all across the board. Normally, somebody will be hating and give it a 1 star, 2 star on the microphone, but this one has maintained its 5-star reputation. Which is really dope, man. So to get this Lauten Audio LA320 microphone at this price point is great. I definitely recommend that you try this one out as well. The next mic on the list is another one that I actually have right here in front of me. This is the AKG C2414. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out so you guys can take a look at this microphone. Now, this is a little mighty mic, but it definitely packs a punch, man. The benefits of this microphone, besides the price point at being $399, about $100 less than the other mics that I've shown you so far, is that it's actually has the same exact capsule as the legendary C414, man. It's got that 1-inch capsule in there. Now, they have stripped away some of the other features from this that would make it a C414, but having the same capsule of the C414 inside of this budget-friendly microphone is basically the little brother to the 414, man. You cannot beat this. This is a super versatile mic. It can be used on a bunch of different sources like instruments, vocals, all types of instruments, pianos, guitars. Man, you can even put this on a bass cabinet. You can put this mic pretty much anywhere. You can use it for overheads on your drums if you get a stereo pair. This is a great budget alternative to the classic legendary C414 from AKG. So the 2414 is a beautiful mic, and of course it is incredibly versatile. So next we're gonna get into some different styles of microphones that I haven't really explored yet on this channel, man. And that's modeled microphones. One of them is going to be the Slate Digital VMS ML1. Now, this microphone comes in at $499. It is a large diaphragm microphone, but it is a modeling microphone. Now, what does that mean? That means that there's software that's included with this microphone that you can use to emulate different microphones basically. There's also software that included to model different preamps that you may have, but the preamp device is sold separately. So as a combination, I think that one is $399. So for about $800 you can have this total package, but this microphone is still great on its own, and you can model all the different microphones by using the Slate VMS software that is included. I think about 8 different mic emulations are included when you buy this, and you can buy more to add on to that mic locker that you have virtually. So this is a really a great solution, man, a more modern, forward-thinking solution to a microphone, because this one mic right out the box can give you 8 different microphone tones. And that's the beauty of what we do, man. Instead of having to get up and change the microphone if it's not working for whatever source you have in front of it, whatever artist or singer is in front of the mic, you can stay seated and change the actual mic style from the software, man, just by using your mouse. And I think that's really cool and innovative. I have had a lot of people tell me that they have had some great results with this mic. I've worked on a few projects that have been recorded using this Slate microphone VMS ML1 along with the preamp. And wow, the results are absolutely amazing. Just the fact that you can change so many different tones of microphone, and then if you had a preamp, you can switch up that as well. Man, it just gives you so much versatility, so many different sounds all in one package. And for $499, it's kind of like you just bought 8 different microphones for the price of one. So I really like what Slate Digital is doing with the VMS ML1. And of course, that matte black is pretty dope too. So next up on my list is a mic that y'all may or may not heard of, man, but this one really has blown me away, and the reviews are crazy on this microphone. It's backed by all types of Grammy award-winning professionals that say, yo, this is a way to go, man. And the price point on the Gauge Audio ECM87 is only $299. Now, what do you get with that $299? Not only do you get this large diaphragm condenser microphone that's modeled after U87, it has a cardioid pickup pattern, of course, but it also includes this virtual mic locker kit, man, and it has some classic emulations like the M49, U87, U67, U47, man. 414 C800. All right, so for $300, you basically are getting access to thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars worth of classic vintage microphone emulations right out the box. Not only that, the Gauge ECM87 itself is a great standalone microphone. So even if you don't use the mic clone software that's included with it for the $299, you still just have a great microphone, man. So I think that this is one of my top on the list. Definitely have one of these in my order ready to go, and I'll be bringing a full review up on this joint soon, because at $299, how could you just say no? All right. So that has been a list of my top 5 vocal microphones for under $500 right now in 2020, man, going into 2021. I'm sure that you guys have some other microphones. I would love to know, what microphone are you using that's less than $500? Drop down in the comments below and let's talk about it, all right? Don't forget to visit wavywayne.com, where I have premium session recording and mixing templates to help make it easier for you to get the sound that you want and save time and frustration on all of the technical aspects. Not only that, it is a great learning tool for you to take your craft to the next level by learning the way that a professional sets up a session and works throughout that session, all right? At wavywayne.com, you can also request a professional mix. So go ahead, check out the website, and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Drop in the comments. Let me know which microphone you're using that costs less than $500, or which one you are looking at as we are entering some of these Black Friday deals. And what's that one thing I always say? Be dope.